Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's revolutionizing video content: interactive video effects. Imagine turning a traditional video into an engaging, interactive experience where viewers don't just watch but actively participate. Sounds exciting, right? Stick around as we explore how you can use interactive technology to make your videos more dynamic and captivating. What are interactive video effects? Before we dive into how to create interactive videos, let's first understand what they are. Interactive video effects involve integrating elements within a video that viewers can interact with. This can include clickable buttons, interactive animations, and even decision points where viewers choose what happens next. It transforms a passive viewing experience into an interactive one, making the content more engaging and personalized. Inspiring examples. To get the creative juices flowing, let's look at some inspiring examples of interactive videos. 1. Educational videos. Platforms like Khan Academy use interactive video elements to let students choose different learning paths based on their understanding. 2. Promotional content. Brands like IKEA have used interactive videos to allow viewers to explore furniture in virtual rooms, enhancing their shopping experience. 3. Storytelling. Choose your own adventure videos, like those found on Netflix's Bandersnatch, let viewers make decisions that influence the outcome of the story. These examples show how interactive elements can elevate your video content from ordinary to extraordinary. Tools for creating interactive effects. Now that we've seen what's possible, let's talk about how you can bring these interactive elements into your own videos. Here are some tools that can help. Adobe Animate. This powerful tool allows you to create rich interactive animations. You can use it to design interactive graphics and embed them into your videos. H5P. H5P is an open-source tool that helps you create interactive content like quizzes, presentations, and interactive videos. It's user-friendly and integrates easily with various video platforms. Wirewax. Wirewax provides a platform for creating interactive videos with clickable hotspots. This tool is perfect for adding interactive tags and links within your video. Step-by-step guide. Let's walk through a basic example of adding interactive elements to a video using one of these tools. We'll use H5P for this demonstration. 1. Upload your video. Start by uploading your video to the H5P platform. 2. Add interactions. Use the interface to add interactive elements such as questions, clickable areas, or links. 2. For example, you can insert a question that pops up at a specific point in the video. 3. Customize. Adjust the timing, design, and functionality of these elements to fit your needs. 3. Make sure they enhance the content and don't distract from the main message. 4. Publish and share. Once you're happy with the result, publish the video and share it with your audience. 4. Track their interactions to see how they engage with your content. Best practices. Here are some tips to make the most of interactive video effects. 1. Keep it user-friendly. Ensure that the interactive elements are easy to use and intuitive. 1. Avoid cluttering the video with too many interactions. 2. Enhance, don't distract. Make sure that the interactive elements add value to the video rather than distract from the main content. 3. Test across devices. Check how your interactive video performs on different devices to ensure a smooth experience for all viewers. Challenges and solutions. Creating interactive videos can come with its own set of challenges, such as 1. Compatibility issues. Ensure that your interactive elements work across various platforms and devices. 1. Use tools that offer cross-platform support. 2. User engagement. Keep track of how viewers interact with your content and be ready to make adjustments based on their feedback. Call to action. Now it's your turn. We challenge you to create an interactive video using one of the tools we discussed. Share your creations with us using the hashtag #InteractiveVideoChallenge on social media. We'll feature some of the best examples in our upcoming videos. Closing. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with interactive video effects in the comments below. See you in the next video.